Welcome to another appliance repair video where you can learn how to replace all your household appliances like a pro. Today we're working on a Kenmore Elite washer. This washer is made by LG. And the problem that we're having is that we have a leak. So I already checked it out, and this is a tub to pump water hose, and it has a leak on it. Sometimes you can have something piercing, something small object that get between the inner tub and outer tub, and down it goes into the pump through this hose and punctures it. So let me show you how we fix it. If you're having a water leak, the water valve is in here, and you would remove this panel. It's another place where you could have a leak. I wanted to show you where your service manual was on this machine in the plastic bag on the back panel to give you the information that you need to put it in diagnostic mode. I will be doing that later to check my repairs and see if I have any more leaks. First, we have to disconnect the washer. Then we're going to be removing the 4 screws on the back panel, which is 2 on the side, on the right side, and 2 on the left side. 1 here and 1 down here. Before removing these clamps, you want to get some towels or a wet dry vac to be able to suck up all the water, because you could have a lot of water in between the tubs that's going to come out. Okay, I took back the clamp. You could do it with your hand, it's pretty easy. And now I'm going to use a screwdriver to assist in taking off the hose. You got some water, but not much. Now I'm going to pull the hose off the tub end. There's not too much accessibility. I'm going to be using 2 hands to take off the clamp, to squeeze and pull down. Then take off the hose with a screwdriver to assist you in prying it as you're pulling down. The hole got bigger. That's where it was leaking from. So we have a thick ridge here. So this is the tub end, and this is the drain pump end. There is a distinction between both ends. Don't know if it matters, but I would put it back the same way. I'm reinstalling the hose, putting the tub end on first. Make sure it's seated all the way. I'm using a mirror to make sure it's seated all the way on, and I can see that it is. I'm going to put my clamp up. I would recommend seeing, before taking off your original clamps, where they are on the hose and putting them back in the same place they were before. If after using these LG clamps you have a leak in that area, there is an alternative. You can use an automotive radiator hose with the 5/16" drive. You can get them at any hardware store. I have occasionally used them before and they worked out fine. So I got the tub end of the hose and they're good. And I'm going to seat the drain pump in. I think I'm good. All right, I'm going to start her up and see if she leaks. I have to plug in the washer. Okay, so in order to put this washer in diagnostic mode, you have to hit power first and then immediately at the same time push the steam treat button and the wash temp button. If you don't get it the first time, you try it again. And we're in. I got T1, that means you're in. I just need the water valves to be activated so I can see if I have any leaks. So in order to continue with the test, to move on to T2, T3 and so on, you just hit the start button. T2 is the display version. T3 is nothing. T4, the water valves start to go. So I'll let them go. That's one water valve. B would be another water valve. C would be another. And now I'm going to move on to T8 to drain it. Oh, T6 actually turned on the drain pump. I'm going to go back here, see if I got any leaks. And I don't see any leaks, which is good. To get out of diagnostic mode, just hit power. Got my back panel on, put my 4 screws on. So if you have a leak, it'll be a good thing to take off this panel and get yourself a light. Put it on diagnostic mode or just put it on a cycle that we're going to get some water coming in. And watch it and see where it's leaking from. Well, thank you for watching. It's a fix. We don't have any more leaks. If this video has been a benefit to you, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Until next time. Bye.